All right, hey people. Today is July 8th, 2021. Just kind of got out of bed and decided to do a video, right? So excuse the hair, the appearance. But I just, I work 65 hours a week and I just kind of wanted to share this one thing real quick because I do a lot of videos. I realize people aren't going to watch, all of the videos I do because sometimes they're like an hour long, but I want to show you one thing. I got this up on and I want to see if YouTube tells me this is medical misinformation, even though, as you can see at the top of the screen, um, this comes from Moderna's own site. It's www.modernatx.com. And I'm not going to do the whole slash thing, but as you can see, okay, so this comes from their page, right? This is Moderna's website. And I want to show you that this injection, it's, I'll just say injection. I'm not going to say the other word that they say it is. But I don't think, but that's a whole nother story. I don't want to get flagged because I disagree with them about that. But anyway, I want to show you that this whole sort of supposed cure was designed in 2 days. Because as you can see, it says, what does it say here? January 11th, 2020, Chinese authorities shared the genetic sequence of the novel coronavirus. You see that, right? And then 2 days later, right? This is less than 24 hours later. What's this say? Let me just kind of blow this up on the screen. The NIH and Moderna's infectious disease research team finalized the sequence for mRNA 1273. That's what they're calling the vaccine for COVID, right? Moderna mobilized towards a clinical manufacture. So it's designed. Now all they got to do is make a batch of it, but it's designed. Okay. The NIAID, part of the NIH, disclosed their intent to run a phase 1 study using mRNA 1273 in response to the coronavirus threat. Manufacture of this batch was funded by the Coalition for Epidemic Preparedness Innovations, CEPI, right? So this is designed. Now all they got to do is just make it, right? So it says the first clinical batch of mRNA 1273 was completed, a total of 25 days from the sequence selection to the vaccine manufacture. The batch then proceeded to analytical testing for release. Okay. Now I want to show. Now remember 1273, right? So this is the first batch they created, and it's called 1273. And what are you getting shot up with when you go get your vaccine? And I understand what some people are thinking out there. I don't want to get into the definition of a vaccine. I already know. I don't want to get the video deleted because of that. So, but anyway, mRNA 1273 met its primary efficacy endpoint in the first interim analysis of the phase 3 COVE study. Moderna announced a longer shelf life for 1273 at a refrigerated temperature. But see, this is the same 1273, right, that you're getting injected with, right? That's been used in all these trials, right? So it's not like it's 1274. It's not like, oh, well, we got that wrong. Let's create a 1274, 1275, 1276. No, this is that same 1273 that they created in 2 days, from when they got that genetic sequence down here. See that? So that's all I want to bring to people's attention. That's all I'm keeping this video for. I'm putting this video out there for, because this is the one thing that I want everybody to realize. When you go get this, realize this is a company that never brought anything to market before. Moderna never had one cure that was brought to the market that I know of that was put to sell for the public. This is their first one, and it happens to be a technology, a process that's never been widely used, and you know, and the first thing they seem to get right is this. Just saying, um, to have, and then you see a lot of things about, hey, they want to make this a mandatory thing to get. They want you to, you have to get this to go to college. You have to get this to work at a hospital. You have to get this to go to your job. Really, something that it was created in 2 days, designed in 2 days. Um, that's all. I'm Chris Lucas. This is Fishing for Truth. Let me put my little banner up there so everyone knows where to go. There we go. That's where I normally broadcast from, and I'll be uploading this video up there.